Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a corn. And this can be a Thanksgiving like corn like this one is, but today I'm going just to show you how to make a regular yellow corn with green leaves. I guess this would be a dried corn or an Indian corn, I don't know. Obviously for Thanksgiving time, but some of you guys probably aren't in America, so you guys don't celebrate Thanksgiving. So it can be a Thanksgiving corn or just regular corn. So what you will need is 18 inches, which is 1.5 feet of 28 gauge copper wire, or that would be 46 centimeters. For beads, you will need, I'm using 2 shades of yellow. To just give it variation, you can just use 1 shade yellow if you need to. I'm using 27 darker yellow beads and 13 lighter yellow beads. And for the leaves, you will need 60 beads. You also need scissors to cut your wire, a ruler to measure your wire, and bead containers, something just to hold your beads in. Alright, let's get started. Now take your wire and fold it in half. I've already folded mine in half, as you can see. And you're first going to take one of your yellows. I'm doing the yellow that I have more of, so the darker yellow. Just take one and put it on your wire, bring it down, and kind of pinch it in place. Take one side of your wire, loop it around, and stick it through that bead and pull tight. And now make sure both of your wires, yep, they're kind of even. And now I'm going to randomly scatter the light beads in the darker yellow beads, the light yellow beads and the dark yellow beads, because no corn is the exact same, so you can do the same thing. I'll just tell you the number of beads that I'm putting on, and then you can randomly scatter them. So I'm going to put 3 beads on. And bring those down, and I'm going to take the wire that doesn't have beads on it and loop it around and through the beads on the wire. Through all the beads and pull tight. And you're going to try and, instead of pulling all the way tight, we're going to try and just nestle them in, because it's kind of going to be like a circular shape a little bit. And now we're going to do the same thing, so 3 beads on your wire. 1, 2, 3. Bring those down, and we're going to, instead of putting them on top like we would normally do, we are going to kind of finish this little circle pattern here, if you see that. So really what we're doing is just zigzagging our beads. If you see here, the wire is going boop, 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 boop. So just like, yeah. Alright, so take your other wire, loop it around and through the beads that do not, or sorry, the wire that does have beads on it. Just like that. And pull tight. See, now we're just making this circular shape. Now we're going to put 3 more beads. We're just going to add 3 and 3 and 3 and 3 and 3. So it'll be a ton of rows of 3 until we get to the tip where we will do the leaves. Now bring it down, and see, you want to keep the zigzag consistent, so you don't want to go two layers of beads on this side. You want to go one layer of bead on this side, one layer of bead on this side, so that it is a consistent little zigzag. So this time we are going to put it on this side. Like that. Now 3 beads on your wire again. And take your wire that doesn't have beads on it. And now 3 beads on your wire again. Do the same process. Oops, I only have, wait, do I have, oh, I have 3. Like that. Three beads on your wire. Bring them down. Same process. Pull tight. 3 beads again. Bring it down. Pull tight. See, you can see the zigzag that we're forming. Now 3 beads again. Bring it down. And we're going to do this until we run out of our yellow beads, both of our shades of yellow beads. Now 3. Three beads again. Pull tight. 3 beads again. Three beads again. We're almost done. And one more row. Alright, so now we are done with our yellow beads, and you have the little corn cob. And if you don't want to add the leaves on, then I guess you can just keep it like this. It's a little corn on the cob, but we're going to do the leaves. So, now take one of your wires and put 15 beads on your wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and one more. 15. Now we're going to isolate the last bead, or the first bead we put on, and pull our wire through that so it makes a loop. And there we go. And there should be a little loop, just a little corn. And now we're going to do the same thing to this wire. So 15 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Do the same, isolate the first bead we put on and string our wire through that bead, making a loop. Pull tight, just like that. And now we are going to take, let's do this wire, and we're going to take it and loop it around and string it through 1 or 2 beads from on this row, like that, and then until it sticks out like that, and pull tight, not too tight, but fairly tight. Now we're going to put 15 beads on this wire. Sorry, there's dogs barking in the background. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 2 more, 14, and 15. Now do the same process. Like that. Pull tight. Like that. Now we have 3 leaves. And now we're going to take the longer wire from the other leaf and do the same thing. String it through 1 or 2 beads, like that. Pull it tight. And we're going to do our last leaf. And we're just going to use the rest of our beads. Still 15. Alright, now you have all your beads on. Isolate the first bead you put on and make a loop. And now you have all 4 of your leaves. You can bunch them together. Actually, first we're going to take each extra wire and twist them together at their base so then we can clip them off. Just like that. There we go. Now we're going to use our scissors to trim off our extra wire. And just adjust the leaves. If you want them like this, you can, or you can put them up like this. Like that. There we go. I'm just going to strip mine back right now. So yes, there is your little corn. It can be either regular or Thanksgiving Indian corns. So thank you for watching this video. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, if you live in the US. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!